Today, I am excited to take you on a journey into the fascinating world of acid and bases, two of the most important substances in chemistry. You might not realize it, but acid and bases are everywhere around us, from the food we eat to the cleaning products we use, and even in the body our body's functions. In fact, these two types of substances are essential to a wide range of natural and household processes, influencing everything from the taste of your favorite fruits to how you clean your kitchen. Acids and bases are in the everyday products we rely on. The lemon juice you add to the recipes, the vinegar you use to clean, the baking soda you sprinkle in your fridge, and even in the soap you use to wash your hands. They play a pivotal role in making our homes cleaner, our food tastier, and even helping us feel better when we are unwell. So now, let's start our lesson.
So what do you think is acid and bases? Let me discuss first what is acid. Acids are substances that taste sour. Examples are vinegar, lemon, coffee, and soda. But always remember that not all acid taste sour. The sourness can vary in different acid. Acid contains hydrogen ions that they release when dissolved in water. And lastly, acids can turn the blue litmus paper into red or pink. So now, I will discuss what is bases. Bases, these are the substances that taste bitter and also known as alkaline. When we added water, it gives foam and slippery to touch. Example of these are shampoo, detergent, and baking soda. So, di ba kanina sa acids, ang taste daw niya is sour. Well, dito sa bases, it tastes bitter. So, yun yung pagkakaiba nila. Bases contains hydroxide ions that they release when dissolved in water. So, kanina sa acid, ang nire-release niya is hydrogen ions, while sa bases naman is hydroxide ions. Bases can turn the litmus paper into blue. So, kanina sa acid, yung blue litmus paper is nagtiturn into red. While dito naman sa bases, red litmus paper nagtiturn siya into blue. Now, what do you think will happen if we combined an acid and a base? If we combine acid and base, there will be a reaction called neutralization reaction, resulting in the formation of salt and water. Neutralization is important because it helps balance pH levels in various processes. In our bodies, it regulates stomach acid to prevent discomfort. In cleaning, it removes stains and odors by neutralizing acidic or basic residues. In the environment, it helps treat acid rain and maintain healthy soil pH. In cooking, it aids in recipes like baking where acid and bases react to create the desired texture. Now, how will we know how acidic or basic the substance is? pH is a measure of how acidic or basic a substance. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. A pH greater than 7 indicates a base. A pH less than 7 indicates acidity. A pH of 7 indicates neutrality. So, dito sa baba, makikita mo yung mga color niya. So, kagaya kanina sa acid, di ba yung litmus paper kanina na color blue, nag-turn siya into red. So, acidic siya. So, sa bases naman kanina, yung litmus paper na color red is nag-turn siya into blue. So, dyan mo malalaman kung gaano ka-acidic or basic ang isang substance. Pure hydrogen. The pH scale was invented in 1909 by Danish biochemist Søren Sørensen. The pH comes from the French word means the power of hydrogen. pH is important because it measures the acidity of or alkalinity of a substance, which affects chemical reactions, biological processes, and the environment. In our bodies, maintaining the right pH is crucial for enzyme function and overall health. For example, blood pH must stay within a narrow range to support vital processes. In agriculture, soil pH influences plant growth, and in water, pH affects aquatic life. Whether in nature or daily life, pH helps ensure balance and proper functioning in many systems. So, dito naman tayo sa pH indicator. A pH indicator is a substance that changes color in response to changes in the pH, acidity, or alkalinity of a solution. It is used to visually determine whether a solution is acidic, neutral, or basic. pH indicators are often weak acid or bases themselves, and their color changes occur due to a shift in their chemical structure as the pH of the environment changes. So, ito yung kanina, yung litmus paper, di ba? Sabi ko nga, nagbabago siya ng color pag, acidic siya, nag-turn siya into red. Tapos, pag basic naman, yung red nagiging blue. So, yung litmus paper is a pH indicator. So, meron din tayong mga pH indicator na galing sa natural resources natin. A common natural pH indicator is a red cabbage juice. Acidic solutions, pH less than 7, turn the juice red or pink. Neutral solution, pH around 7, keep the juice purple. Basic solution, pH greater than 7, turn the juice green or yellow. So, marami pa tayong ibang natural pH indicator kagaya ng turmeric, balat ng talong.
And that's all for our lesson for today. Let's have an activity.